Hi guys, Oliver One Fan here, and I went to my Toys R Us, local Toys R Us, and I just recently got a Trackmaster Stephen the Rocket. Now I'm at my grandma's house, and yeah, let's get unboxing it. When I got there, I saw Connor and Caitlin, and I didn't know, I didn't know which to decide, if it was Connor or or Stephen the Rocket, and I went with Stephen. Then if I do go again, I'll get Connor. I hate this sticks. And it came with a little like flatbed with a horse, gold door horse. Gold. And it came with a 2013 like checklist. Okay, here it is. Now let's get to it. This is Stephen the Rocket. He is based on an old engine, one of our first engines, and he has the same traction rod arrangement as Oliver. It just moves one wheel instead of the other one. Here's his face. Well, there's a fault there. They didn't paint it right. Oh, Fisher Price. The side. So the wheel moves, and you can get this off easily. Oh. Like this. It looks different. This is the wheel that moves the engine. Rocket. His whistle. Where the fireman goes and the driver. I'll put a Lego person here. It'll look great. Now, this is a tender. But I hate it. It's not painted right here, as you can see. And it has plastic axles. And this thing is like way off the chassis. And it doesn't sound like I'm making. And here's the flatbed with the removable horse. So yeah, I'll do a running video later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, and wait. I'm gonna show you the checklist. So I didn't see Connor or Caitlin or Stephen. As you can see, Fearless Freddy, Scarlowy, Arthur, Renee, Charlie. This is the back. Oh, it has Peter Sam, Martin Supplies, Mavis, Rocky Delivery, and I wish I had all this stuff. Who wouldn't? And some cool destinations, and cargo and cars. Well, thanks for watching. Wait, oh my god, wait. And the battery stuff. Here it is. Connor without a tender, Caitlin without a tender, and Stephen with a tender. this is all the engines. Hank is moved by his front, not the tender. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like my vids, and I'll do a running video later. Bye.